Guys, welcome back. This novel is part 1. I hope you enjoy this novel like the others. Please watch till the end. So, let's begin. Crime on Detect Battle. It was a Sunday morning. I and my brother Basraj had just finished our final year exams when our holidays started on Sunday. We were so excited as we had an adventure 3 months ago. Just as I was taking the morning breeze from the nature in my farm, having a cup of coffee was making me feel relaxed. As I said, Basraj was having his breakfast down. When we finished our breakfast, we started helping our grandma blossom in the farm for watering the seeds that we planted a month ago. It just grew a little in a month, which was nice to see. Just then, we heard the phone ringing in our home. I went to pick it up, and a voice said, "Hello, dear brother, I'm coming back to Grandma's house for holidays." Only at that moment did I know it was my cousin sister Sanya, who was only 3 years younger to us. Whenever she used to come, we both enjoyed a lot with her, whether it's playing, watching, fighting, and teamwork. She told me that she is going to come to our house tomorrow. We watched the television and had our dinner and slept as it was late night. The next day, we got ready, and in the evening, when we were waiting, she came, but she didn't talk to us nor respond. It seemed very strange. She wore a cloak, but what happened next was unforgettable. It wasn't our sister Sanya. It was a man who looked like he was in his late 40s, whose face was pale, was holding a knife in his hand, which was very sharp and pointy. He came to kill us. When we were afraid and ran for our lives from there, we stopped at a tree in the city garden, which was famous and anyone can come and go. We stayed in the park for an hour, thinking that the man would let go of us, and there were many people coming in the evening who come to play, enjoy, and feel the fresh breath of the city garden, which was more larger than a park. Then we both exited the city garden and started heading towards our home. When we reached home, a call came from our uncle. Did she reach home? We didn't want to lie, so we told him the whole story, and he cried. We relieved him, telling that we would find Sanya at any cost and save her. Only then a sense of hope came to him, saying that thank you, but please find her soon. We agreed and disconnected the call. Then we headed for police station where we found her. We were relieved and asked her why she didn't come home. The officers told that she had forgotten her way while she walked and ended up here after she climbed down the train station. We thought so, as he sometimes forgets the route to our house. While we were about to leave back to our home, the officer was looking depressed. We asked him why was he depressed. He told us that our officers have been trying to catch the wanted serial killers, as they always kill 5 people at the end of the month and leave a message saying that at the end of the month more 5 people will be killed. We asked him why did the criminals kill the people, for what reason. The officer told us that one of our most sharpest and best officer killed a man who was misbehaving with a woman in the train station, who was a sharp criminal who didn't notice the officer. Only after being shot, he cursed the cop and his city who was supporting him, saying that my five sons will kill you and your city, saying that he died, and then his sons got to know this and started preparing for revenge. And since then, every 5 people get killed at the end of the month. We asked him that did the cop get killed yet? He replied with a smile, saying that cop is me who killed that criminal. I shouldn't have done that on that particular day, or many people would not have got killed. We relieved him, saying that wasn't a mistake, and asked if we can help them bring the 5 criminal serial killers. He agreed, and told us to go along with the most famous detective, Shankaracharya. We met him in the station inside and became friends. He gave us the detective coat with three badges symbolizing unity, strength, and symbolism. We were so excited as we three were assistant detectives and were helping Detective Shankaracharya. He suggested us to take rest today as it was almost dark and report tomorrow. We four rested in our home and played games at bedtime. I was thinking of the mission that was going to start tomorrow. As we reached the station, the officer told us that he left a message for us on a scroll telling to come to the city garden. Only there we can stay longer and discuss the mission from where to start. As we reached the city garden, the detective told us to first name the mission. I suggested the name from which it was the best name. The name which was Mission Crime on Detect Battle. The detective was impressed by the name and decided to make me Suraj the leader of my team. I was happy and asked Shankar what to do next. He told us the names of the five sons. First Neeraj, second Dheeraj, third Rajendra, fourth Surendra, and the most dangerous boss, fifth Vairamani. Shankar told us that their main target is Vairamani, whose move is unpredictable and they need to think very wisely to kill him. He told us our first mission is to kill Neeraj's gang in Mysore and question his bodyguard, leader of that gang. We were headed to Mysore in the evening and reached the next day. Then we discussed to first attack him, the first goon to the last goon. We defended and hit all the goons, and then the bodyguard hit Basaj's hand. We grew furious and hit him in the head. He got unconscious and fell down. When he got up, he was in our basement. We locked him and asked him, where do we find Neeraj? The fear of being killed. He told us that Neeraj is hiding in a resort right now and is staying there for 3 more days. We need to get him to our place, question him about Dheeraj's gang and kill him, and then start mission 2. We were able to catch Neeraj by adding sleeping pills in the food, crushing them and giving to eat, and he and his gang grew unconscious. We informed a police. He was sent station and Neeraj's gang's goons were caught and locked up in Central Jail. We sent Neeraj to police where he was sentenced to death. We finished our first mission. We were happy and were going to Indranagar to get rid of Dheeraj's goons. We rested in our house and were leaving tomorrow for second mission. Today we were going to get Dheeraj's goons in police custody. Our plan was to attack the sports ground in the evening where they play for 2 hours daily. We took them to a lodge basement and convincing them took a lot of time, and what we said was to provide alcohol to them, which they didn't know it was mixed with carbon dioxide as we use in Coca-Cola. To make it look like alcohol, we put the water in a dark red plastic bottle. It is eco-friendly. When they walked into our basement, we acted like being their friends. In the meantime, the police came and arrested them. They too went to Central Jail where Neeraj's goons were there. We managed to send them there. Now, we were interrogating the bodyguard who didn't even tell us where Dheeraj was. Only then we tried our best to tell him to become a good person and go back to his family. We even told him that if he told the truth, we would release him back. Only then he took some time and agreed to us. He told us that Dheeraj was in a radio streaming station to listen and watch the radio streaming station. We thanked him and left for the radio streaming station RSS. When we reached there, we saw Dheeraj. He was planning to attack by giving a warning on radio news. Before that could happen, I acted like a radio jockey by wearing that headphone. RSS shirt and keeping a mic in front of me when he noticed me. Finally, I went to him and keep showing him the radio station. I explained everything, and after taking him to 3 rooms, I took him to the providing room where they keep all that headphone, mic, shirt, and some whiteboards for writing what to stream live. I made him sit on a chair, and when I played high ultraviolet sound, which he or nobody could take either, I put a high cotton headphones and played it. He fainted. When he opened his eyes, he found himself inside a basement where we brought him. We asked him where are Rajendra's goons. He told us that they were in Delhi. He was then sent to Central Jail, where he found Neeraj lying there. Dheeraj asked his brother Neeraj what was he doing. He said that he was also in jail and told about him. They both now were in strict police custody. We also finished the second mission, sending Dheeraj and his goons there. I was now happy both were in custody, but the mission was not done yet, as we need to get another 3 of them. Tomorrow we were leaving for Delhi, where Rajendra's goons were. Tomorrow was a big day for us. Today we were going to get Rajendra's goons into custody. Before that, Sanya suggested us to go roam places today to enjoy, because it had been a week since we enjoyed. I agreed, and we all 3 postponed our plan tomorrow for getting hold of Rajendra's goons. We first went to amusement parks. There we enjoyed all rides, ate all delicious items, and had fun there too. We also bought new clothes, watched a movie at a nearby theater, had good dinner, and came back home. We all refreshed ourselves and made a good plan to catch the Rajendra's goons in their place. In the other side, in Central Jail, Neeraj and Dheeraj were discussing to get the phone from the guard to call Rajendra and inform this to the other 2 brothers. They told the guard if he gives his phone, they will pay 10 lakhs online. The guard fell in greed and gave his phone. He first contacted Rajendra in Delhi and told him that Suraj, Basraj and Sanya are planning to attack his goons, and then you to arrest to get you all 3 brothers one by one like us. So they got informed and planned to be normal when the attack commences. They all planned secretly. To win, even Suraj, Basraj and Sanya made their plan more upgraded and stronger. Will they win? One side Suraj, Basraj and Sanya. Other side five brothers. Will they get out of jail? Will they win over the 3? To know more, watch part 2 coming next week. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.